Namaskar students, this is the question. Prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c in one bracket. In the next bracket, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Also this can be asked, factorize a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. When it is said to factorize, then this question is felt to be difficult, but the work is the same. What I am going to do for proof, the same work will be done in factorizing also. So first of all, before coming on this, I would like to remind one identity. It is already learned by the students. A cube, a plus b whole cube means what? That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Now we want this. So a plus b whole cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b can be written as a cube plus b cube. I mean a cube plus b cube can be replaced by its value a plus b whole cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. So I am going to utilize this one only. Just it should be kept in mind. Now I am coming with left hand side only. That is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What can this be written? For a cube plus b cube we have already known what to write. That is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. This is for a cube plus b cube. Rest is to be kept as it is. Plus c cube minus 3abc. Actually it is also an application of this identity. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Now hereby to get it simplified, to get it in simplified manner, we are interested to take a plus b as p. Let a plus b is equal to p. Now we can write here it is p cube minus 3ab into p plus c cube minus 3abc. So we'll get now p cube plus c cube minus 3ab in bracket abp, and hereby it is 3abc minus 3abc. Okay, now we'll again expand this value again by the same identity, a cube plus b cube. So we'll get again p plus c in one bracket. In the next we have p square plus c square, p square plus c square plus minus pc. Okay, p square plus c square minus pc, or you can write in this way also as we have done in the previous one, p plus c whole cube minus 3 pc in bracket p plus c. Hereby we can take 3 common from these both. It was for these two terms. Minus 3 ab is finally out, so we'll get p plus c. P plus c. Now p plus c over here, and we know clearly p plus c is common everywhere, so we can get p plus c common finally. We'll get here p plus c finally common, so we'll get here p plus c square minus 3pc minus 3ab, minus 3pc minus 3ab. Work is approximately finished. Now put the value of p. By putting the value of p, or one step more to be written, p plus c, it is p square plus c square minus plus 2pc. Hereby it is minus 3pc minus 3ab. P plus c can be replaced with its values, so we'll get here p means a plus b. You had considered it. P is equal to a plus b. Thereby, so and here it will be a plus b whole square plus c square minus 2 For P again A plus B into C minus 3, it was 3 PC, okay, 3 PC minus 3 AB, so it is 2 PC and 3 PC. 3P means A plus B into C minus 3AB. Finally over here, so we'll get again A plus B plus C. Next again this will be expanded by the identity A plus B whole square, so we'll have A square plus B square plus 2AB plus C square minus 2AC minus 2BC plus minus 3AC, this and this multiplied, minus 3BC minus 3AB, all over. Then A plus B plus C, in this bracket we have now A square plus B square plus C square. Now AB 2 times here but 3 times here, means only 1 time but negative. AC 2 times here, AC is 2 times here, and here also the, yes, it is PC plus 2 PC, so it is plus, again it is plus, so we'll have 2 AC and this will also plus. 2 AC 2 BC are positive, 2 AC positive and 3 AC negative, so yes, for this one it's okay, AB and AB it's okay. Now AC 2 AC and 3 AC minus AC, 2 BC positive and 3 BC negative minus BC. Solve for this question. Or we can write here, that is equal to A plus B plus C in one bracket, in the next we have A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC. That's all for this question, but its application is very vast. Now we can take questions on the basis of it. Sometimes it is given, it is an identity to factorize. This will be used as an identity to factorize the expressions like A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C in one bracket, in the next A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC. One conditional identity based on it. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC becomes 0 into something. That is finally 0. It is finally 0. So we can get A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. This is very important identity for the standard of class 9th mathematics in polynomial topic. So A cube plus B cube, it is very vastly used. For example, I am taking, if it is given 30 cube minus 20 cube minus 10 cube. So A is 30, hereby A is written as 30, B is minus 20 and C is minus 10. Now we will get A plus B. It is asked from you people, calculate using ID. So this will be used by us, this identity will be used. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is coming itself to be 3 times A into B into C. A cube is replace A, B and C by its values. So 30 cube minus 20 cube minus 10 cube, that is equal to 3 times 30 minus 20 minus 10. Without actual calculation, we can use identity to find it. So it is now finally 3 3 are 9, 9 2 are 18. 18 and 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So it is coming to be finally 18,000. Since minus is appearing even number of times, so product will be positive. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching again and again.